Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Welcome all of you in our video lecture session. Today I deliver a video lecture on queue data structure. It is also called first in first out FIFO system, in which deletions can take place only one end of the list and insertion can take place only at the other end of the list, that is called rear. So, there are two different end, first one is for front end and second one is for rear end. Second key point about queue is, in other words, the order in which elements enter a queue is that order in which they leave. So, order of insertion and order of deletion always will be same in case of the queue. Third key point, queue abound in everyday life like railway station waiting queue, bus stand waiting queue, and people are waiting in a line at the bank. So, these are the very popular examples of queue data structure. Queue in computer science occurs in time sharing system. In case of the time sharing where multiple process waiting for resources, this is the best example of queue data structure. There are two basic key points about the queue data structure. First one is, whenever an element is deleted from the queue, the value of the front is increased by 1. Each time when we add the value to the queue, it is increased by 1. Mathematically or logically we can explain this thing, front equal to front plus 1. Second key point about the queue is, similarly whenever an element is added to the queue, the value of the rear is always increased by 1. This can also be represented by logically, rear equal to rear plus 1. Now we will take example of queue data structure. In this example, first we have an queue. It contains 4 elements A, B, C, D. It is a n length queue. Here front equal to 1 and its value is A, and rear equal to 4 and its value is D. So this is the front and this one is the rear. Similarly, in second case, suppose A is deleted and we have an queue. In this case, front will represent B and its position is 2 and rear indicates at 4th position and its value is D. So here front 2 and rear is 4. Suppose queue contains only one element. There is a queue which contains only one element. In such kind of situation, front equal to rear and which is not equal to null. Suppose we have a queue and there is only one value A. So it indicates front as well as rear. Suppose this element is deleted. Then front equal to null and rear equal to null. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Please like, comments and subscribe our video lectures. Thank you so much.